Hey guys, welcome back to the Random Knowledge Plus. Today, I got a message from Cristiano from Argentina. He just asked me to make this video, so this video is for all of the subscribers. I'm gonna open up this Motorola Pulse Escape Plus. So you should have to twist it like this, and then you will see the screws, three of them. Only open the screws which I'm opening here. So these are the another three screws. Let's open them up. So carefully check this out. You will see the mic which is here. Slowly remove it, don't pull it. That's it. Now we gotta see the whole motherboard of this Bluetooth. So here's the speaker and all the wires, and you can see them. And this is 3.5 mm jack, and you should have to press this if you, I mean, if the sound is only from one speaker, or if it doesn't play well. So you should have to press it from the top side here, and then fix it as it is. So here you should have to see the groove. I mean, you can see this, right? You have to put it in the groove, and then this groove, meaning groove. Okay, groove. So after putting it, you the groove here. Then you, if you want to check a question, you can check the buttons or twist it so that it's in the place. Fix the single screw tightest, and the other screws as just I mean, don't fit them. Okay, don't fit the two screws which are at the top. I mean, these two, because the buttons will not be pressed. I mean, if you tighten the screws very much, the buttons over here, this will not be pressed. Okay, this will be like already pressed up. So make sure that you don't tighten them up. Only these two screws, just a little bit. That's it. And check the buttons. If the buttons are not pressable, then you should have to loosen them up. And if you like this video, or if you think that this video is helpful, then you can give it a like, thumbs up, whatever it is. Just subscribe. It's your wish, man. That's it, guys.